Have you ever been inside a room at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort? Well, come check it out with us.
All of the All-Star resorts have had room renovations as of 2022, and they are identical in size and layout to the Pop Century rooms that we love. Value category rooms are all 260 square feet, which isn't very big. But because the rooms are laid out so strategically, you feel like you have more space than is actually there. Rooms come with either one king or two queen beds. Rooms with two queens will have this table area that quickly pulls out to your second queen bed. This thing is so easy to maneuver, and look how cute! Some other perks we love about this room are the hardwood floors, easy luggage or stroller storage under the bed, USB chargers around the room, and a separate vanity and bathroom area. Your bathroom will have this single sink vanity with a great large lit mirror. These rooms are streamlined and sleek to maximize your space with some adorable nods to Mickey, Minnie, and Donald in the decor.
Want to learn more about this super fun value resort? We're visiting all 18 Walt Disney World resorts by the end of 2022, and we'd love